Volvo Cars has reached an exciting new milestone in its journey toward a sustainable future. On April 25, 2025, the first fully electric EX30 small SUV rolled off the production line at Volvo's Ghent plant in Belgium. Since its launch in late 2023, the EX30 has quickly become one of Europe's best-selling electric vehicles, admired for its innovative design, advanced technology, and commitment to sustainability. Bringing X30 production to Ghent is part of Volvo's strategy to build cars where they are sold, improving flexibility and meeting growing local demand. To make this possible, Volvo invested around €200 million in upgrading the Ghent facility. This investment introduced a new car platform, nearly 600 new or refurbished robots, an extended battery hall, and new production lines for doors and battery pack assembly. Thanks to this transformation and the dedication of the Ghent team, Volvo cut the industrialization time for the EX30 in half, a remarkable achievement. Stefan Fesser, manager of the Ghent plant, says, "This isn't just about building cars, it's about building futures." The launch of X30 production will create approximately 350 new jobs, bringing total employment at Ghent close to 600 people. The Ghent factory, located near Belgium's North Sea port, has been a key part of Volvo's European manufacturing since 1965. Alongside the EX30, it produces other electrified models such as the fully electric EX40 and EC40, as well as hybrid versions of the XC40 and V60. Volvo Cars now produces 10 different electric and hybrid models across its European plants in Ghent and Torslanda, Sweden. Francesca Gamboni, Volvo's chief manufacturing and supply chain officer, highlights the importance of this approach. Investing in European production aligns perfectly with our strategy to build cars where they sell best. Our flexible global footprint helps us respond quickly to market demands. Volvo's commitment to sustainability goes beyond production. The company aims to become a fully electric car maker and achieve net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2040. The Ghent plant operates with a focus on environmental responsibility using biogas energy and climate-neutral production processes. Later this year, the EX30 cross-country variant will join the production line, expanding Volvo's electric SUV offering. In 2024, Volvo Car Group recorded record financial results, with a core operating profit of 27 billion Swedish kroner and revenue reaching 400.2 billion kroner. Global sales hit a new high with over 763,000 cars delivered worldwide. Founded in 1927, Volvo Cars is a globally respected brand known for safety, quality, and innovation. With production facilities across Europe, the US and China, and R&D centers in Gothenburg and Shanghai, Volvo continues to lead the way in automotive technology. The start of EX30 production in Ghent symbolizes Volvo's commitment to a sustainable, electrified future, one that creates jobs, embraces innovation, and delivers personal, safe, and environmentally responsible mobility. Volvo Cars, driving the electric revolution, one milestone at a time.